Good morning. Thank you for joining me. If you're watching this video, you are most likely a parent who is going through a divorce or custody proceeding, and you and the other parent want to put together a parenting plan. This video is about parenting time, which is a major part of most parenting plans. Please be aware that this video does not constitute legal advice. Please consult your attorney if you have any questions. Before we get started, there are a few assumptions that this video makes. This video assumes that both parents want what is best for their children, both parents want to be involved in their children's lives, and both parents are considering a joint physical custody arrangement. If your situation is different, some information in this video might not apply to you. Let's review what a parenting plan is. A parenting plan is a written document that specifies how children will be parented from two separate homes. Each state's requirements are different, but many parenting plans talk about legal custody, physical custody, transportation, and parenting time. This leads us to our next question, which is, what is parenting time? Your parenting time is the time of day that you are responsible for your kids. Just because it is your parenting time does not mean that you have to always be physically with your kids. It is very common for children to be with daycare providers, other family members, or at school. However, you should not assume that the other parent is your fallback. For example, if your child gets sick at school during your parenting time, it is your responsibility to manage the situation. Our next question is, who gets parenting time? Within a parenting plan, typically only the biological parents or legal guardians are assigned parenting time. Although daycare providers, family members, and school may have your children, that is not considered parenting time for them. This time must still be allocated to a parent. Within a parenting plan, every minute of every day must be assigned to one parent at a time under one of three categories. These three categories are regular parenting time, holiday parenting time, and vacation parenting time. Let's talk about regular parenting time first. Regular parenting time is how your children will normally spend their day. For example, Dad shall have the kids from Sunday at 8 a.m. till Wednesday at 3 p.m. when he shall transport the children to school or their mother's house when school is not in session. Mom shall have the kids from Wednesday at 3 p.m. till Sunday at 8 a.m. when she shall transport the children to their father's house. Let's see how this would look on a calendar. You'll see that right now we are starting with a blank calendar. When we add in Dad's parenting time, we see that it starts on Sunday at 8 a.m. and runs till Wednesday at 3 p.m. Now let's see what happens when we add in Mom's parenting time. Now we can see that Mom's parenting time runs from Wednesday at 3 p.m. till Sunday at 8 a.m. When you are thinking about regular parenting time, focus on what best meets your family's needs. Some things to consider are the age of your children's activities, and your work schedules. Also think about the distance between homes, who will transport the children, and any special needs and circumstances. When you and the other parent are deciding on your regular parenting time schedule, there are a few ideas to keep in mind. First, some studies show that some children benefit from longer periods of time with each parent. Think about how frequently changing households can impact your children. Second, remember that you can vary your schedule based on the time of year. Some parents have a single schedule year-round, while other parents have separate schedules for the school year and summer, or for winter and spring breaks. As you are thinking about different options, remember to write your ideas down so you can share them with the other parent and your mediator. Next, we're going to talk about holiday parenting time. Holiday parenting time creates exceptions to the regular parenting time schedule. This is what happens on special holidays such as New Year's, Easter, the 4th of July, and any other occasion that you both deem a holiday. When it comes to holidays, think about the traditions that are important to you. Remember, holidays can be any special days that you and the other parent agree to as part of your parenting plan. Some people include federal holidays, birthdays, religious dates, sporting events, and school events. You can even invent your own. The key is that the holidays must be agreed upon as part of the parenting plan. If you do not celebrate a holiday, you and the other parent can simply omit it from your plan. Let's take a look at 3 different examples. The Mother's Day holiday shall start on the second Sunday in May at 8 a.m. and shall end on the second Sunday in May at 10 p.m. The mother shall always have the children on Mother's Day. In this example, Mother's Day is a standard holiday and the mother always has the children. Notice that the Mother's Day holiday only lasts for part of a day. Let's take a look at our next example. The Smith family reunion will occur on the second Friday in May at 8 a.m. and end on the following Sunday at 8 p.m. The father will always have the children for this occasion. In this example, the parents have agreed to a custom holiday that accommodates one of the father's family traditions. Even though the actual family reunion may always take place on Saturday, the holiday starts on Friday and ends on Sunday in order to accommodate travel. Let's take a look at our last example. The 4th of July holiday shall start on July 3 at 3 p.m. and shall end on July 5 at 3 p.m. The mother shall have the children in even years, and the father shall have the children in odd years. You'll notice that in this example, the 4th of July starts the day before and ends the day after. It also alternates every year. The 4th of July is an interesting holiday because the day of the week that it is on changes every year. Let's take a look at how the 4th of July holiday would interact with our normal parenting time. You'll see that we are looking at our normal parenting time schedule for July of 2018. When we add the 4th of July holiday, you'll notice that the calendar changes a bit. Since 2018 is an even year, the mother has the kids and the holiday takes priority over some of Dad's parenting time. Instead of Dad's parenting time ending on Wednesday at 3 p.m., for that week only, it ends on Tuesday at 3 p.m. Let's take a look at how 2019 plays out. First, we'll start with the regular parenting time for July of 2019, and we'll add in the 4th of July holiday. Since 2019 is an odd year, the father has the kids, and this time the holiday is taking priority over some of Mom's parenting time. Instead of Dad's parenting time ending on Wednesday at 3 p.m. like normal, it goes all the way till Friday at 3 p.m. When it comes to holiday parenting time, there are a lot of questions to think through. What traditions are important to you and your family? How do you want your children to remember these holidays? Do you want them to remember spending time with their family, or remember driving back and forth between homes? Last, think about how long the holiday should last. Should it last for part of a day, or longer than a day? Do you need a travel time buffer? Should it start in the morning of, the evening before, or the Friday before the holiday when the kids get out of school? Should it end on the evening of the holiday, or on the school day following the holiday? You can design holidays however you and the other parent decide. Now let's talk about the last type of parenting time. Vacation parenting time is a defined quantity of special, extra parenting time for each parent. Even though it is called vacation parenting time, it does not have to be used specifically for vacations. It can be used for any reason or no reason at all. Some parents use it for vacations, staycations, trips, travel, or even special activities like a special movie night or circus day. Vacation parenting time can be used at almost any time. It cannot interrupt holiday time, and there are usually other rules that parents agree upon. Now for an example. Each calendar year, each parent shall receive the following vacation time: 2 5-day blocks of vacation days, 6 one-day blocks of vacation days. An entire block of vacation days must be used at once. Vacation parenting time starts at 8 a.m. on the first day of the vacation block and ends at 3 p.m. on the day following the last day of the vacation block. Vacation blocks do not roll over from year to year, and vacation parenting time may not interrupt holiday parenting time without the consent of both parents. A parent wishing to exercise vacation time must notify the other parent of the dates of the vacation time no less than 30 days in advance. In the event of a conflict between two parents' vacation parenting time, the parent who provided notice first shall take priority, and the other parent may reschedule their vacation. Let's see how this example of vacation parenting time might work in July of 2019. In July 2019, each parent can take vacation parenting time at any time of the month except during the 4th of July holiday. In this case, the mother is choosing to use one of her 5-day vacation blocks starting on Sunday at 8 a.m. You'll notice that the mother's vacation time is ending on Friday at 3 p.m. as it normally would. Now, let's take a look at another example. Let's suppose the mother wants to use one of her 5-day vacation blocks a week early. The mother's parenting time would normally end on Friday at 3 p.m. However, you'll notice that it is actually ending on Wednesday at 3 p.m. Why is it ending early? Because the 4th of July holiday starts on Wednesday at 3 p.m. and it cannot be interrupted by a vacation unless both parents agree. When you are thinking about your vacation parenting time, remember that vacation can be taken by either parent for any reason. Also, ask yourself a few questions. How do you vacation and how many days do you need? How long can the longest vacation be? How long can the shortest be? Do you need extra vacation days to accommodate travel? And finally, how much notice should a parent provide regarding vacation? 1 week, 2 weeks, 30 days, or something else? In summary, we've talked about the 3 different kinds of parenting times. First is regular parenting time, which is the foundation for what you do most of the time. Next is vacation parenting time, and those are special days that one parent uses that override normal parenting time. Last is holiday parenting time, which are the dates agreed to in advance as part of the parenting plan that override all other parenting time. As this video is coming to an end, there are a few final thoughts that I would like to leave you with. Once a parenting plan is filed in court, it becomes a legal document and a court order. If parents disagree about a change in the plan, they must follow the current court order until it is modified by the courts. However, as long as both parents agree, the parents can make adjustments without the courts being involved. And finally, as you work through your parenting plan, remember that no parenting plan is perfect. Your life will change, and so will your children's lives. Flexibility and communication are vital, because when parents have better communication with each other, they can be better parents to their children. Trust is built through positive interactions. As always, this video does not constitute legal advice. If you have any questions, please consult your attorney. For additional tools and resources, please visit mediationcloud.com. Thank you.